celebrating Ferrocement Day in the memory of P.D. Joshi sir. He has done pioneering work. Hangekar sir will introduce about his works, and I welcome you all. Yes, sir. And Hangekar sir will introduce about Joshi sir, what he has done. He has done pioneering works. So let us start the function with garland first.
हातावर हलवलं सगळं.
This situation, we are limiting the audience, so we have invited very few guests here. As you know, this Ferrocement Day, we are observing. This is the 8th Ferrocement Day. Vishnupant Joshi graduated from College of Engineering Pune in 1948. Then he had a special advanced degree from Imperial College of Science, London. In 2 phases, V.D. Joshi had to stay and work office in New Delhi. So he had done many pioneer works. One of them is the Express Tower building. That is the first multi-story building in Mumbai. So it was designed by Mr. V.D. Joshi. Then in Ahmedabad, along with architect Balakrishna Doshi, he has done many works. One of the pioneer works is Hussain Gumfa. That was the idea of well-known artist Mr. Hussain, M.F. Hussain, and the idea came into truth because of this Ferrocement caves type structure, and that was the pioneer structure built in Ahmedabad, that is very famous. He shifted to Paint, and there he trained many workers to build the Ferrocement boats, and still the boats are floating on the water in Paint area. After 1990, and after training the labor in Paint area, the laborers could construct the dinghies. The dinghy was the first boat that we know, that was invented in 1848. So that type of dinghies were constructed by the workers in the guidance of Mr. V.D. Joshi. Then he shifted to Pune, and now we are very lucky, we are in his residence. This building is called as, this bungalow is called as Arunoday Bungalow, and this was built by Mr. V.D. Joshi along with some of our members of Ferrocement Society. So he has used Ferrocement in many components. As you see outside, I will show you the photos, the benches and the staircases, then the tree planters. So many things are here where you can see that this is an exhibition of Ferrocement components. So this is the Arunoday building, which is exactly opposite the Balbhim Mandir of Shivaji Nagar area in Pune. On 21st of December 2008, when our office was in Mutha quarters in Shivaji Nagar, so he visited our office, and we were very lucky to discuss about Ferrocement. All our members, Dr. Divekar was there, Mr. Bhedas Gaonkar, Mr. Rajendra Pawar was there, and the founder members were there, and we could discuss the things. So in short, I will tell you what were the things he told us. He felt that mere insistence on Ferrocement is not adequate. The 3 components are steel skeleton of frame, Ferrocement proper, and wood wool like substance. So ideal thickness of Ferrocement is less than 12 mm. Ferrocement is not a cheap substance, he said that time. So it is a high quality and graded cement mortar. Its water cement ratio could be 0.375. It has zero slump. It has zero slump. That he was insisting at that time. So while training in tribal areas, Mr. Joshi found that illiterate workers with some training are proficient and better than educated people in Ferrocement works. So he always insisted that tribal people or villagers should be trained, and the potential or the energy of them shall be used for the Ferrocement. Mr. Tukaram of Paint area is having excellent skills of making Ferrocement, members. So Tukaram is still alive, and we felicited him last time, a few years ago. So he came to our function also. Mr. Bhedaslavkar narrated instances and episodes where Mr. Tendulkar of Vasai had taken advice of Mr. Joshi and constructed nicely walls and roofs that consist of ferrocement and use of wood like material. The other person who took inspiration from Joshi sir works is in Faridabad. Meher Baba complex development was carried out with a lot of members made in ferrocement. Sahasaran was started by the nephew of Mr. Joshi, and that way he always guided us. Mr. Joshi sir quoted an interesting episode. An Australian sports person made a boat with ferrocement of 6 mm thick. This boat was extremely light. In international canoe race competition, this boat got the first prize in rowing held in Western Europe. That was the episode told by Mr. Joshi that time. So we can remember. A modified vibrator is developed by Mr. Joshi sir. Vibrator is used for compacting the mortars. So sandpaper scraping machine is available in the market. This could be used by removing its sandpaper and slight modification is made. Imparting vibrations is essential. That is what this sandpaper scraper machine does. So such a vibrator is very good in to get dense cement mortar matrix to press into the skeleton of wire mesh over which the chicken mesh is attached. So such type of meeting was there, and we just remembered that what he guided to us. He was always a very good guide to us. His inspiration was always there, and he left us on 3rd of September 2011. So thereafter, the son-in-law of Mr. V.D. Joshi, Mr. Makarand Patankar, is very kind enough. So he told us that we can start a prize or an award with the name of Mr. V.D. Joshi, and that way we started that award. So up till now we have given the award every year to many architects and engineers. Ms. Anupama Kundu was one of them. She worked in Pondicherry. Now she is in Australia. She has also bagged this award. So this year I am very happy that this award is being given to the Mega Cave Center near the Dhom Dam Reservoir in the backwater. Near the backwater is there, and this is constructed by Mr. Nandakumar Jadhav from this ferrocement company. He stays in Pune. Definitely you will appreciate this. So I just invite Mr. Jadhav to come here and accept this award. So Rasmi on behalf of Vijay Chauhan will accept that. I am very happy to tell this. Mr. Patankar, who is the son-in-law of Mr. V.D. Joshi, has given us some more funds, and he is intending that the prize or this award shall also be given to the workers, that means welders and masons, and they should be felicitated. So we have decided that the birth anniversary of Mr. V.D. Joshi is 14th of February. So we will have one more function on 14th of February, and on that day we are going to felicitate the workers.
I came across this technology by mistake, only mistake in the sense this is technology is liked by farmers or by masons in a rural area. When I went to Pen in 2002, there 220 tanks were constructed in one taluka under that Pagodi Veer Yojana. So I was damn surprised when 220 people from village come forward and construct this type of tank. Though I am an engineer and I was a contractor, I had only heard about ferrocement or seen from pictures, never worked with ferrocement. So there I decided, I must learn ferrocement. And we have learned and we have trained many in the something. And village level they accept it. And at village level we should not underestimate them. They are, as he has also said, everybody says that Mason is a ruler, both architect and engineer. Only thing that he doesn't have any certificate or anything. Otherwise, whatever at rural level things are there, they can manage themselves.
First of all, I congratulate Jadhav sir for winning the competition. The structure is very nice. I have studied it deeply. The drawings and all I have studied, it is very nice. I would like to visit the center also, resort. I am very glad to be a part of Ferrocement Society.
Mr. Jadhav, he is the winner of this today's award. This is John and also our friend Shitali. We all congrats from Ferrocement Society.
2 years back, we Gnana Prabodhan received this prize and we are promoting ferrocement tanks in the rural area. Till date, we completed 14 tanks in Pune district and 5 more tanks in Usman district, and people are giving very encouraging response, and still there are 5 tanks to be constructed in the next year. I am very thankful to Ferrocement Society and personally Parasbe sir, who is guiding us time to time. Thank you very much.
Jury and Ferrocement Society to give me such a pioneer of ferrocement in India, get Mr. V.D. Joshi award to me for my Y Resort project. Very thank you.
Ferrocement Society and V.D. Joshi sir, and thank you everyone. Thank you sir.
Girish Sangale, project coordinator of this Ferrocement Society. We stand here for vote of thanks. Firstly, I will give my vote of thanks to our president, who is taking very sincere and keen efforts in doing every activity of Ferrocement Society, as well as Mr. Parasbe, he has came from Mumbai. Our secretary, Mr. Lele, Rashmi madam, and owner, today's winner, Mr. Jadhav, Shitole, BG John, Mr. Giridhar from Gnan Prabodhini. Thanks everybody for coming here. Thanks to jury committee, Mr. Chandrasekhar Hagekar, Mr. Suhas Mahamuni, and madam.